Howdy, y'all. Let me show you this job Agustin did last week. He had a pressure problem, and the guys had to go research it, dig up, figure out what was going on. And they found that the way that the system was tied in didn't get maximum flow and pressure, so they revised it and got a good cleanup job there. They had a pipe with a hole in it here, and they were digging up to get a drip valve repaired. This was a drip control valve where you've got a filter regulator combo, and they got that swapped out. Looking good on the cleanup. And then they had a couple of heads that were too low, and they swapped them out, raised them up, put some new spray heads on. Looking good. And then, of course, left the controller. On the controller, they left the schedule. Great job.